Hi everybody, thanks for joining my very first YouTube channel. I cook here and there, and so I figured why not share it with the rest of everybody. So I hope you guys learn and take something good from it. So my very first dish is something very simple. I decided to go ahead and make a cauliflower with a butternut squash, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pickle those. But first what I need to do is get a big pot of boiling water and go ahead and boil that, and I'll show you that here. And you get your big pot of water and you go ahead and start boiling that. And once you boil that, then you need to get your recipes ready. For my recipes, I'm gonna go ahead and use dill weed. I'm gonna use Johnny garlic spread. I'm also gonna use fresh diced garlic as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and marinate those with white distilled vinegar. And what I have already diced and prepared to show you folks is I have diced, chopped up cauliflower and diced up, chopped up butternut squash. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw some peppers in there and stuff just to give it a hint of a little bit of spiciness to it. It's always good for you. So here's what I got going on. Dill peppers, dill wheat. Hope you guys can see that. I got dill wheat, got Johnny garlic spread, got garlic, got distilled white vinegar, and I got the cauliflower and the butternut squash all kind of chopped up and washed up, ready to get tossed in the boiling water here. This is my ingredients that I'm gonna show you folks. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and switch cameras. This is kind of hard to do, so I'm just learning how to do this, so kind of bear along with me. And hopefully once I get better at it, I will go ahead and make better videos. But for now, let's see what we got going on. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and toss this. I should be wearing my gloves, but I'm not really getting into the whole cooking thing, so it's gonna be okay. But next thing I need to do is go ahead and get my cauliflowers and my butternut squash all soaked up really well in here. I got some bigger pieces in here that I'm gonna go ahead and break a little bit apart. Oh, show you guys what I'm doing here. And I'm gonna go ahead and let that boil for about a good 4 or 5 minutes. And once it's boiled, it will be ready to go. Next thing, what I'm gonna do is, after it boils, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. And once it's boiled to a point where it's soft enough, it's chewy enough, then I'll consider that as cooked. And I'll go ahead and strain those, and then I'll put it in the jars, and I'll prepare my jars with a tablespoon of dill weed, half a tablespoon of the garlic spread, a tablespoon of the fresh garlic diced, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill the whole bottle up top to the top, covering everything, all the cauliflowers, all the butternut squash, and the peppers and everything else, so that way it gets really soaked and marinated. And then I'm gonna go ahead and seal the top, and then once it's sealed, I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit for a few weeks, so that way it gets marinated. Then I'll go ahead and let it out so it breathes a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and tighten it back up and let it sit and marinate. The longer this stuff sits and marinates, the better it is, the better it tastes. And so that's what we're after, is good tasty food. And stay tuned. Thank you.